How to remove your profile picture on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on your profile. As you select on your profile, what you can simply do is tap on the option of edit profile. So as you tap on edit profile, simply tap on the edit option under your profile picture. So as you tap on edit, it will give other options for you to upload. So if you do not want, then you'll not be able to keep your profile picture empty. You can exchange it or you can just change the profile picture, but you'll not be able to remove your profile picture completely. So just tap on save, and as you do that, you'll be able to see your profile picture has been changed on Facebook. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.